you know.
There
Malik there, master.
Oh, member say Obia Kajem say be team, Obia Baby Yajuma.
Okay.
But as someone kind of Baba Munba Kotoko for it to say, if we say Kotoko, Obia for CBC mother. And I make Casse.
As a Malik Abida.
And whom or Mombe Kochi Kotoko, I know to CVF say. But somebody just draw my attention. I will be by GSC Bonnie. And every year also. I hear on every Matthias. And
some says it's an act of activism. Activism and activism. Tama.
Activism.
There be no activism.
Nadia or
ATAVISM.
Oh, okay.
Others say it's retrogression or reversion. Kotoko goes back to the executive board chairmanship model. They subtly announced it in their press release yesterday.
Now, how did they do it?
Tell say offer press release now. Now Nyabutrena who reading now call down how we say honomo. They communicate to the supporters and the public.
Board
patron ka all the press statement in the so ananka boss I don't mananka.
Chairman in you.
Chairman in this is the board and this is the chairman. Intina.
Now of the train only same thing na.
That be only the first one.
Only the kind no. Only blue no. Blue
suit. Yeah.
Oh okay. On the edge of shop no.
Minimum no but on the edge of shop.
Na ba me so for you. Question for you no.
Sound the question for you so nim no.
Minimum mu bia. Minimum bia there be omudi na mate.
Oh okay.
And Mr.
Kofi
Amwa
Aban. Yeah. Enti Kofi Amwa Aban. Enti omo me ensa.
Onya small boy.
And na omo ye ina.
Small boy say. There onya small boy.
And now because and kasa small boy.
Onya small boy.
Onya small boy.
Tema.
Not small boy.
We all know which way mo yam makoda. Makoda ten on sorry bi.
Danger to
that danger ka. Ari danger ya wu ni mu na. Okay, job me answer no. Omo na go for zuri na mi
saba. Omo me answer no. Yeah. Okay. And he is the executive board chairman.
Oh, fine.
It is here in Kotoko back into the executive board chairman.
Now, statement na express anyway.
Oh, Bon. I wonder why statement you want.
Uncle, I see when the board chairman no speech no.
The 62-year-old that man joined the Football Warriors with one of the most impressive footballers.
We cry uncle or quite more better. One of the yeah. Into one muja chino munya.
Yeah, himself a distinguished football manager and an accomplished former professional goalkeeper spent 10 full seasons as a player at Ajax, where he Mr. James Brown, the executive
yes,
has maintained that.
And he owns a whole that highlights here. So we have font size now. Increasing.
James Brown, the executive chairman of Asante Sporting Club.
So Kotoko officially now inform their members that they've changed the model back into the executive chairmanship model. And you know, Tama, we won't say, we are not from the corner. Yeah, no,
yeah, pension for more.
He studied business at the University of Ghana, your alma mater. Business administration and banking and finance. He holds MBA in law, works at Prempe and Co. Tamason Prempe and Co. Law firm, Prempe and Co. Yeah. Alice Kofi Osei Owusu is the new board secretary for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Tama, this is your new board secretary. Tamana oka German, oka Spanish. Brofun de send ye normal.
Na ko to man qualify ngo.
Enti We're multilingual now. We're bilingual.
Multi.
We're multi.
Buy two.
Buy two.
A brute two.
A brute
multi.
Now a multi. Yeah. And then we're multilingual.
When a board secretary.
This is the new board secretary.
Can't deceive you. Be most of the. Who's a man deceive you? Me a fan of CV.
I think the best
international language neka. Yes, all can continue tree near a year. Local multilingual.
Okay, so
everything about it is on your phone.
Can't use that word. English can't use that country.
Okay, English and how's anyway bilingual. Go outside international. Okay, until we meet the board secretary, Alex Kofi Osei Owusu, BSc Ansu. Oh, what's the business?
Major B.
BSc a Bachelor of Science.
BSc in a Bachelor of Science. Business. But I mean, so it was studying.
And we have Masters in Business Administration. MBA.
Bachelor of Science in the BT. Me, when you say me,
BSc. Your BA. And your BSc.
You know, I'm the boy. What's it me?
And Osai lawyer ni. Barrister at law. Or call.
So I $40 million. Be able to.
Omuka Efano. I'm calling to the bar in 2002. That's why I lawyer for 24 years.
Senior lawyer.
University of Ghana. We 93. And Okoye admin, business admin, and then in MBA, for banking and finance.
Banking and finance, yes.
And then called to the bar after a 2-year qualified with preliminary law certificate and professional law course at the Ghana School of Law.
Makola no. School of Law in Makola. And then also my big no.
What's the son? Alliance Française. Ewa Accra. And now goes to advanced proficiency certificate in French. And also more Prempe and Cone Bebreno. Because of Nanado background, a lot of them also studied French. Said we are international lawyer.
And releasing back or in French.
So
now French.
He has also attended Osaka Gold Institute. No Gosuya. Gosuya German.
Say German school.
Yes. He also attended the Ghana Institute of Journalism. No, Sako Suya PR. Okoye PR, and I say, one
boss.
Alexander took his privilege with the law firm of Agufado, Prembe and Co. And we are the privilege.
Head of sports, head of production.
And we are the privilege, privilege, oh, dear.
Privilege,
privilege, now is lawyer for national service.
Okay.
And we are so understudy. Our law firm. No. And practice at the said firm. Okay, so I 2014. He has attended a number of executive law courses in New York and Texas, Mumbai and Texas, in the United States.
Okay.
And Dubai in the UAE. He was Texas, Makoda. Texas, Dallas. No, I was around. He was appointed. He was appointed notary public by the Honorable Chief Justice of Ghana in 2019. Alex successfully led the legal team to defend a client case at the London Court of International Arbitration. I just say, but damage a big chow. No, I just say, oh no, radio, the TV, oh radio, the Babo, and go fast him. He also successfully led the legal team to defend the client case at the London Court of International Arbitration against a major affiliate of the World Bank Group. Hey, what could be the World Bank in a $40 million case? And successfully obtained an anti-suit injunction at the commercial court in Ghana to restrain the said affiliate of the World Bank from proceeding with the suit. And he has chalked success in landmark cases reported in the Supreme Court of Ghana Law Sports reports. Alex is fluent in English and French and has working knowledge in Spanish and German. Practical areas, commercial law, investment law, banking and finance, mining and real estate law, contract insurance, mergers and acquisition law, and arbitration.
Tama.
But for the head of sports, maybe I some 12. You see, Kotoko story, no?
Kofi University,
Oh yeah, on your careful. Go down my way. Ucho damage.
Me call am message and answer.
What is the role of a board secretary? Okay, board secretary, but I'm sure you also be the club lawyer. I think so. Board secretary, the board for Nisia.
Most likely.
Or no na ensem nyina okuchire. Or trocho ni nyina na omu committee before our kenkan akire omo.
On the lead transition, no.
Asemo ya papa ya.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, yeah. May assure say from what I'm seeing, you'll be the club legal.
Most likely.
Yeah.
Most likely. And the Tama, Kotoko is taking shape. Administrative setup.
And there's a JD Humberto no come. All right. In the next 1 minute.
Osei Owusu has also been appointed as the new scout and the technical director never not nearby. Because a sporting director no. And he but and almost a contract no. But only one was to Nigina.
Ona bibi everything.
Yeah, I want the dear rat to say be enko.
Ono scout no about you.
I want suit come. Any ade.
Oya standboy.
Oze do no.
Oya standboy na ofi jachi.
Eh sa.
Ofi jachi ba standboy.
Yeah,
Jachi mu no.
Oya jachi pramso.
Sanu. Aha.
Ni krom ni jachi pramso.
Oh, okay.
Oya standboy.
Oya standboy na.
Watna yeah, Netherlands was
no ikuja.
Yes, he's into coaching and scouting and that stuff.
Okay.
Most of the scouts in your coaches. Almost some coaches.
And bon, we am for Chris Mrane Yanko.
Now why they say a suit ash.
On na I say
Babo enya
bon
yem focus enya
for Chris Brown.
Stanley Puri Menzo. Stanley Puri Menzo Mzoto, 62-year-old.
Also the idea by
you know, psychologist no comedy.
Psychologist also aba.
Ono subeba. Ono currently he's with the national team Blasters, but
oh, okay.
Yeah,
no.
On the club.
And
What
football.
You know. Mzoto, say one of the reason why teams today per this position, and I say this role are more important in football class, and I say Mzoto, I am a club wants to maintain their identity when there is change of coaches. Because Kaneno say, oh, I want to get to Oba or no, by yet, dear, oh, yeah. No one, that ye Pamona say, Yokofa, obey the champion so bar, obey the champion bar. He comes with an idea, no, by ye, or ya near Pamno, Siasia bar, no, so an idea bar. So class is sat down and said, no, it's not helping them. Yes, the rest is not helping them. So now let's create this portfolio. So he will be an institution.
No, the position rather remains.
Yes.
Okay.
And to say that no, there's a template. Say in the end and club no, yeko. At that point in time, coach as a sample, the neighbor or bar. This is our project. Ubetimi untimia no and the call. Ubetimia then come.
And now so we go phobia of fitting
in that you know. And then the club now this role became very, very key and very important in football. So okay, you know, one area in his new role, Mr. Menzo will assume responsibility for club's overall football direction, including technical strategy, player recruitment and retention. There's a I don't know recruitment and retention. There's a Omodikama and
the no
oh, retention.
The Omo can say obeshe adwuma na sia. Say player bi betina. So on tina.
Sentino.
Oh, na no just obi go baby.
Oh, na send the retention they say anya be mu nko ade. As he will come no abe sono so.
So that's what sporting directors
Yes,
do.
abe sono so. Then they put the team going forward. So I like the energy that the board they are starting ejuma no. Okay. Say ejuma die bia no. There's one appointment bia. A Kenyan obia.
It's appointment in.
And I think say from the word go, we're in the background, no experience, any nyama waye in football. At least, say he's in terms of the anya bia no profile no absent recent appointment bia Kotoko bia in terms of the profile no dey ba no. So recent appointment my year and say recently be at least this profile. And more hope again. The background, the training. He's a student of total football. One total football dominated years. Omana ebo. It's a ne. Nintiti and Kotoko supporter. Now, and the Kotoko so. You training here, but training with total football training.
I tell you.
Who's that? Sani mo nama.
Yeah, too.
Unya ni jeno.
Yeah,
Who's all of a sudden? And ne Kotoko.
Yo.
And ne Kotoko. Who's all by what's that?
Yeah, too.
What's that? Pitches.
Because
total football goals.
And you good pitch.
Yes, and you good pitches.
I tell you, I'm just saying, what to you? Muna na time no near the banana.
Oh yeah, but could be. Yeah, the one that was going to explain the issues to the supporters. Yeah. Very necessary.
I don't know
you better direct conversations. I will be sow the seed of patience into the hearts of the Kotoko supporters. Very, very important.
Okay.
Also, at the end of the about the atoho will be a children I drink. But I dream papa a tardy and a chin one penny for no. See a new beer or no ben penny for no.
Yeah,
you can do it, but you can do
it.
They
say Zach come here who ball like Kotoko. What you should expect?
This is Zach's interpretation from the statement.
Based on
what is in the statement. You. Miss someone can also read that same statement and come up with a different interpretation. So normally in certain aspects in certain parts of the world, because this particular direction might be a bit new. The traditional way of doing things for Kotoko, which some of us we believe you cannot stay in the old ways and expect new results. But we need to so you must move those people along.
Okay.
And that is where the one that will manage the public relationship, or even let the fans know, somebody need to be there.
Okay.
Until one saying, "Can we ever say no?" Or no. Sometimes this is where people get it wrong. There are people who can sit behind the scene, openly on the platform, but he will find ways of breaking it down to influence the influencers. No, don't say influencers. Your mom can't say na a domu jidi mene or not teaching no
But for the time being, let's look at what has been done.
Oh no, say to complete the work. What has been done is solid.
It's fine.
By interpretation will be coming from different angles.
Okay.
And that interpretation because based on the statement and not make concept, the first and every Asante Kotoko must understand this. What kind of statement in the first paragraph now? It talks about rebuilding, starting from the basics and fixing the fundamentals. That is what the statement in the car.
Okay.
Or see in further effort at rebuilding Asante Kotoko, and Honokra should tell you what is in their mind. And if you want to rebuild, you must carry the fans along and get them to accept Zadian. Because the opinion be and ya dia Kotoko started and obeto aso ebi ni ho. But oka a statement and align the youth team with the senior team, even the system to align them for that smooth transformation or that smooth movement from the youth team to the senior team. The football identity na to trust statements or opinion when you sit down and ask yourself, said in the last 6 years, or let's even extend it to 10 years. Now, for coaches are Kotoko Lugaros, who was a defensive minded coach, Kotoko Polak, who was a resource oriented, Kotoko for Parkwesi Fabian, whose emphasis was on youth development. Kotoko for Sika Kono. Ah, no, DNA agro football. In some what check here. There have not been a there's no consistency regards to the technical direction. In Tiebini, a fair opinion in neighbor say, how kind of responsibility now? The recruitment of players must form in line with identity. Even the kind of code they will appoint should form in line with identity. Into here will be a come back to myself.
A long conversation that will continue. We a PR person to are interested in how it's communicated.
Exactly.
To the
because
people.
when you
all right.
I see no. Most say what supporters na kono so na.
No mo kwetire. You
adeɛ baako na zoto wote kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɔ board for number so sɛ transition wei choka ne yeye bi anim ana ohi
choka ne
yeye bi anim ana ohi nkakane Kotoko no sɛ new administration ba then they will be starting obonsobete and old administration no na na esen komu yesei omanye we esen komu ye we na sika bi da ha no mkofa to ha na we na we
ne bi ba o
there be
ah o guys yeah baka say
you even get
players
you even get the new administration members no you even get new administration members now so to ye involved in sanyoma no make new omo ba na nyoma to no who just had the nkoso yes sometimes the media betimi aka but unya the key people idea adwuma na mom so mobile bontia be ye ni sanyoma no yes entimi ko basa MC na adwuma mo ye nyina mtutu bibia ko kama but how our board na handle transition no ade ba ko ese bo mabaso or must show some level of maturity to recently unya no Kotoko nkane zuto kanya appointment ni ye kan sika bi da ha ne amfa nto ha na we ko yese na we ko share ha na we ko
ebi awum so mo ye bom
da bi
so mo nyina ye bom anza
se u de waso to form na utietie nyoma ya be ma boda it looks like the intention of the board was the only thing I won't be Kotoko, no Kotoko Beko relegation. Even from Menshia, no more accept Kotoko season abanawi. The only thing about West and Kotoko Beko relegation.
Okay.
If so, Yenfa board run mested in Yoma before they take over.
Okay.
Time aboard nearby no. The to Osho money what Mimi THA when they say they decided say the IMC need less provided for them, especially when it comes to financing of the team. Because in the last 4 months, from the MTTN, almost spend over 3 million Ghana cedis on the team.
For 3-4 months.
Yes, over 3 million Ghana cedis.
That's all my recruitment. Why would they spend like that?
Hey, Nasa Kotoko no.
There's a Kotoko spend minimum over 1 million cedis a month.
Yes. Say buo ha won say kai buo ho carry forward ness anyoma by all those things were done Zoto at a level one ti de bia wo ho I'm saying na so ochina there will be the final handing over between the IMC and the board minim say bi ombe open to the media kura na
ombe so munyansia obi ada media bia
say ombe open to the media. But there will be
Nasa executive board chairman no the whole statement was that
yes someone say okay say CEO say mba na mega just say it can even be possible they might not appoint a CEO na ko say board chairman so ko yes
but they have announced it
say
the new structure you say be appeal o say mo ma manfo
okay no ye the old raising tibia board for muti say mate say so mo kuma sin tibia ombeto
okay
na bi o maye eti so to yemo radio shop
but clearly they have their strategy
yes on say ade ba ko ne say supporters in fan show mutim wo hwe nyomo mo ye nyina they are starting Kotoko from zero yes that is the truth share the director of football no ma appointing no to unim hwe kura no say ye ka say afi na club ebe develop a philosophy a DNA how the club should play which is not familiar with Asante Kotoko. Enya afe ni ebe shase. Zotonya afe ni ebe shase. And one area they want to tackle it, a player in discipline. Player in discipline. Recent years, sometimes you need certain figures to stand in front of the players and also show some leadership and a personality. Yemfa ebi and the coaching career and tonchen. So to obi awabo Ayas. When Ayas no more peak. When you rule it. When you Marco van Basten. Johan Cruyff for coaching no. Na wo ye Kotoko player na mizutu opanyini wage na wanima. Ubeti ya bunanim tia. Ojai
coach no so.
Obeba, eda coach beba.
We na di kan be prepare.
Eda minim say the next appointment is the coach.
We be prepare kwam.
Eda the next say maka say
Bab was say park ne.
Oh, say mizutu na say nyon na eso fa bochi be ka che say Kotoko training ground say up to standard. Na say
ye no.
Na say ye tie nim dada.
De wono no.
Ye tie nim dada.
Man nya we say hanya Holland.
And I say ye tie nim dada. And if you want to develop a modern football club, you can't be training on this pitch.
Ye wono no.
Ba so onim so say nye.
Cardinal of group. I want to board secretary no. Or no one law firm no.
Manya ayibio.
Yeti news for ni news.
Ansu. Scotland Football Club. Say oko for my invitation for technical assessment.
Ansu
Enye Henry Ansu. One invitation from a club, from Scotland Football Club.
Oko training.
Yes, was Zimbabwe, Harare.
Oko coaching course.
No,